Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful install using Mowigs 613 frontal. I tint the lights with LA Girl Pro and her color is mahogany. Now I'll be applying Bold Hold Active. You guys already know what I use, so I applied 3 layers of glue and I smoothed it out evenly. And you already know, after you smooth it out evenly and it's clear, then you can begin to lay your lace. You want to be patient, not patient, but you want to take your time in placing the lace. And you don't want to have any wrinkles, lumps, that can happen. So just take your time, be patient with yourself, and just lay, and you'll see the melts before your eyes. What you will see me doing now is customizing her hairline a little bit because she has a semi-low hairline, so we don't want the hair to be on her eyebrows or anything. So we're just gonna customize a little bit and take it back just a tag to fit her original hairline itself. What you'll see me doing now is going in with some more glue to secure the lace that is not down, as I guess I could say it like that. So we're gonna just spread the glue in the areas, and then we will lay the lace. This unit is from my collection. This is a 613 unit. I believe I said that earlier, but I don't have this unit online as of now, but it will be up as soon as you guys view this video. This is a 613. I toned the roots and I toned the color down to make it ash blonde. This unit is very beautiful. So you guys can shop online for this unit once you see this video, and you also can follow me on my Instagram to see other units that are not on my website that I customize before adding to my website. And yeah, my Instagram is Mowigs _ MOWIGS _ and my website is www.mowigs.com.